Hello folks, afternoon. It's Cooking with Swaino again. How are you? So, are you enjoying your, embracing your inner recluse? I am. It's been quite nice actually. Not having to go anywhere. Yeah. So, I've got some beautiful cos lettuce in my garden, so for dinner tonight I'm going to make a Caesar salad, and I thought, oh, I've got to make the dressing because there is no comparison to homemade dressing, versus shop bought. When you do this way, this salad dressing, you'll never go back, and it will keep in your fridge, of course, for a while. And if you like anchovies, which I love anchovies, you're gonna love this dressing. Okay, so 6 anchovies, clove of garlic, put in there into your bowl. This is the smallest bowl I've got. Pinch of salt, that's to help mash up the garlic. We're gonna get our fork and we're just gonna mash the anchovies up. I'll come back in 20 seconds. Okay, took a bit longer than 20 seconds, but anyway, I've got it's a mush. Then we're gonna add in 2 egg yolks. Plonk. Mix those in a bit. 2 tablespoons around about of lemon juice. 1, 2. You can adjust that later if you want more. Mix. A little dollop of Dijon mustard. Oops. About a teaspoon or less or more. I actually like a mustardy sort of tasting Caesar dressing. Okay. Mix. Now comes well, it's not that difficult. It usually works and it doesn't split. If it does split, well, so be it. Here we go. Just need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you've just got to drop that in fairly slowly. So can you see everything? Yep. Mix. Oops. Slowly, Swaino. That was about a tablespoon all at once. Oh, I can't even see. I haven't got my glasses on. All right. I hope it's not wobbling the camera. I don't know how much has gone in. I'm not even taking any notice. I think there's about 2 tablespoons, is it? It's hard to see. All right. I think it is. Oh, look, I'll just a little bit more. Eee, looking good. Okay. And then you're going to put in 1/2 cup of just vegetable oil. Okay. Are you getting this? 1/2 cup. I didn't bring a measure out with me, I'm going to guess. And this should go in a stream. Now, if you've got a hand blender, you could use that to do this. You might have to double your recipe so you've got enough to mix up, but that's okay. I don't know. 1/2 cup. Are we there yet? All right, keep going. Ooh, looking good. Can you see it? It's sort of changing colour a bit. It's getting lighter. Emulsifying, which is what happens when you mix up egg and oil and vinegar, lemon juice. Oh my God, it looks so good. It's so easy. Look. Awesome. Okay, and then it's good. Then you put in, well, this recipe, and what I do most of the time, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. Yum. Put it in. Now that's in the dressing. So the anchovies, the egg, and the parmesan is in the dressing. So when you actually come to making the salad, you don't need to actually put in, you know, the eggs, the anchovies, or the parmesan. You know, traditional, I think, Caesar salad is very simple. Lettuce. Lettuce. Not even boiled egg. It's lettuce and croutons. Not sure about the bacon, if that's supposed to go in, but yeah, a boiled egg is not supposed to be in a traditional Caesar. That's what I've read. Anyway, because it's in your dressing. Anyway, learn something new every day. If you didn't already know that. Okay, that's looking so good. You have a little taste. And now you can put in extra lemon juice, extra salt and pepper. I'm definitely going to put in some cracked black pepper. So I think cracked black pepper is really nice in this dressing. And I'm also going to put in just a little shake of white because I love it. And I do think it needs a bit more lemon juice. So I'm going to put that in and hope it doesn't split. And that should be pretty good. Sorry, put my finger in it, but it's only me gonna eat it. Yeah, delicious. There is your very own Caesar salad dressing. Put it into a little jar, keep it in your fridge, put it on anything you like. Apart from cos lettuce and croutons, you can make sourdough croutons, yeah. Perfect, actually, for this and for using up your sourdough. Okay, that's it from me. Over and out. Cheers, everybody. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Okay, bye.